Hey guys, welcome back. So for today's video, we are reviewing these eyeglasses. So this is actually a magnifying eyeglass set. It's pretty interesting. You know, I've never seen anything like this. So they provide you a manual, and I'm very curious to see. It looks like they give you multiple different magnifying lenses. So for someone who collects coins, I do coin roll hunting, and what that is, you basically look at coins for errors, and I thought this would work really well for it. Looks like it comes with a little light on the top here that is adjustable. You have a power button right here. Oh, you have two brightness modes. You have low and then higher. Wow, that's actually pretty cool that it comes with the light. All right, let's see here. Head strap. So we'll have to check that out and see how that fits on here. Let's check out the lenses here. So each different lens would magnify differently. Oh, it looks like they just simply pop right in. Oh, they pop right in and pop right out. Well, that's handy. Oh, wow. Oh my word, they work really well. You know, I don't even need this. I think that's a head strap. So you got your micro charging port. Let's see. So the micro charging port is right here. Let's see. Let's see here. Oh, there we go. They supply you with the charging port, charging cable, I should say, and that's just a USB charged. But this is nice. This is actually going to work really well. So guys, let's go ahead, show you guys how they look. All right, so they do work with a hat. This is crazy. Like, they really actually do work. And the nice thing is you can position them. Oh my goodness. Wow. I wish you guys could see this better, like how this actually works. But it's a little hard, you know, it's a camera, so it's a little hard. But anyway, you basically put it on and it looks right through the lenses and it zooms the lens and everything up. I don't know if you guys can see or not, but man, that is amazing. Let's go ahead and turn the light on. I actually do like these guys a lot, especially for coin roll hunting or, well, let's see how easy this is. There we go. Okay, so you just gotta adjust everything. There we go. You adjust the top, position this. These would actually make good reading glasses, to be honest with you guys. So you guys could use these for a lot of different things. I mean, the lens surface is treated with strengthening process. Yeah. So guys, yeah, I like them. I think they're actually pretty cool, especially for coin roll hunting. I mean, that's really cool. And you got all these different lenses too, so we're gonna have to actually spend a lot of time with these. It looks like different thickness as well. So I believe we picked the thinnest ones. And I mean, to take off the lens is just pop that out, drop it in the case. They give you this little nice carrying case. Close it up. I mean, you're good to go. This is awesome, guys. I really do like these a lot. Very impressive. You know, very, very impressive. They're definitely getting a 4-star rating from me. Maybe 5-star, but we'll have to test them out for a couple months. But for the first initial use, and you know, 4-star rating for the first initial use, guys.